Hey everyone, and welcome to your daily yoga practice. This is a nice, easy routine to wake you up in the morning, get you going for the day, and calm and ease the mind. All right, let's start sitting here, just simply however you can be comfortable in your body. Give yourself a moment to slow down a bit. Start to breathe a little bit more full, a little bit more deep. Let yourself make any gentle movements that feel right for you right now. If you notice any places that feel a little stuck or tense, just feel free to hang there for a little while. Breathe extra big. And gradually start to move your way back toward a more still place. Take a big inhale. Long exhale. We'll crawl and meet up on all fours here on your hands and knees. Take your time. Real soft on your joints. Let your knees and hands slide along the ground. And any gentle rolling around here that feels good for you. Let yourself linger in any places that could use a bit more extra attention right now. Tuck your toes, lift your hips up and back toward your down dog. A little left and right as you go. And tuck your chin around out toward your plank pose here. A nice wave. Crawl your hands forward, your feet back a little bit. Easy rock side to side or gently forward and back. And take your hips right up and back toward your down dog. And again, coming all the way out toward that plank pose. Crawl your hands forward a bit or your feet back a bit. Rock a little side to side. Roll toward your right side, big as you stretch and open, nice side plank. And all the way back toward your middle, same thing other side here. Lift up a bit, roll left, big easy opening. And all the way back toward your middle here. Soften your knees down to the ground and sink your hips for a nice gentle little sway side to side. Draw your shoulders and your back, open everything up. Keeping your knees on the ground, shift up and back toward your down dog, lifting your hips up and back. And take an easy crawl up toward the top of your space. Shift your hips a little side to side. Let a foot and a hand slide along. Round everything up towards standing. Take a big inhale to stretch. And easy all the way up and over your legs. Lean toward your right. Slide this left leg way back. Nice slow lunge. Drop through your hips. Ease your back knee down toward the ground here. Simply opening up, little rock side to side. Tuck your back toes, keeping your hands on the ground. Lift your hips up. Drop your torso over your legs. Single leg forward bend, keeping some weight into your arms. Single right back toward that low lunge. Push down big. Inhale fills you up. And easy soften right here. 2 more times. Stretch high. And easy settle here. 1 more time. Lift everything high. And easy all the way back down there. Lean toward your left palm. Slide your right leg way back. Nice down dog. And crawl back up toward the top of your space there. Shifting your hips as you go. Rounding everything up towards standing. Big inhale to stretch up. And easy up and over. Lean left. Slide this right leg way back. Nice low lunge. Drop your hips here. Soften that back knee down toward the ground here. Gently opening up. Tuck your back toes. Lift your hips up. Drop your torso over your legs. Keep a little bend in your knees. Take some weight into your arms. Sink right back toward that low lunge. Push down and lift everything high. And easy. Settle here. 2 more times. Stretch high. And easy. Settle here. 1 more time. Stretch high. And easy all the way back down there. Lean toward your right palm. Slide this top leg all the way back down. Lean left, big inhale. Pull your right leg way up and back. Open up here. And low lunge, slide this foot right on through. Push down, lift everything high. Easy twist right, open your arms. Lift everything all the way up. And roll open, warrior two. Spin your back heel down, arms settle out. Take a big inhale, lifts you up. And easy, all the way back out. Tip your torso all the way back here, reverse. And wave up and over here, left hand finds the ground. Slide this top leg all the way back. Same thing, other side, lean right, big inhale, pull your left leg high. Slide your foot right on through, low lunge. Push down, lift everything high. And twist left, open everything wide. Lift all the way back up. And roll open, warrior two, spin your back heel down. Soften here. Lift everything nice and high. And easy, all the way back out. Tip all the way back here, reverse. And wave up and over here, right hand finds the ground. Slide on back, down dog. Tuck your chin, roll back out toward that plank pose. Rock a little side to side, easy forward and back. And drop your knees down, sink your hips, opening up a bit here. Roll your shoulders and your back, open up. And keeping your knees on the ground, shift up and back, tuck your toes all the way down dog. Crawl back up toward the top of your space there. Little shift your hips as you go. Round everything up towards standing. Big inhale to stretch up. And easy, all the way up and over. Crawl your hands out a bit, lean some weight into your arms, sink your hips all the way down. Roll around a bit here for a nice squat. Come on down towards sitting here. Lift your legs all the way up, nice easy boat. Just a few times here, lowering down. And roll on up. And easing down. All the way up. And easing down. And all the way up. And easing down. And up and over toward your right side here. Nice gentle roll. And all the way up. And easy left. All the way up. And easy right. And up. And easy left. One more time each side here. Over toward your right side. And up. Last one here toward the left. And once you're up here, grab a hold of your legs. Stretch out a bit. Just breathe. Let your feet relax down toward the ground here. Crawl your hands back behind you. Push down, stretch on up. Ease yourself all the way back down. Stretch your legs out in front of you here. A little softness in your knees. Crawl back, open up. And easy all the way up and over your legs. Just relax. Let your feet go. Let your head and neck go. When you're ready, gently round yourself all the way back up here, coming toward an easy seat. Again, close your eyes here. Simply notice what's happening with you. And let yourself make any gentle movements that feel extra good for you here right now. Any places that feel like they could use a little bit of extra attention. Feel free to explore. Let yourself gradually roll into a more still place. Simply notice how you feel. Take a big inhale. Long exhale. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Hope you feel more connected and at ease. Stay soft, and I'll see you soon.